Greeting guys, so welcome back. So in this video we will be seeing Pandas AI and how we can make use of Pandas AI in our local machine using Ollama. So in the field of data analysis, efficiency and accessibility are paramount for extracting valuable insights from complex data sets. Pandas AI is a library which marks a significant advancement by seamlessly integrating GenAI capabilities with the widely used Pandas data manipulation tools. So, this groundbreaking fusion empowers users to interact with their data conversationally and uncovering hidden patterns, generating meaningful insights, and performing data transformations without extensive coding expertise. And Pandas AI leverages large language models trained on a vast amount of text data to comprehend and respond to natural language queries. So this functionality allows the user to query their data in simple, intuitive manner to conversing with an intelligent assistant. For instance, user can instruct Pandas AI to summarize the data using descriptive statistics and identify the trends and patterns within the dataset and visualize the data through interactive charts and graphs and also generate new features from existing data to enhance the predictive modeling. And then Pandas AI streamlines the data analysis process by automating many repetitive tasks that typically consume valuable time. So this automation enables the user to focus on deriving meaningful insight rather than spending hours on tedious data preparation and manipulation. And also Pandas AI harnesses the advancement capabilities of LLM to extract accurate and insightful information from data. So it can identify subtle patterns, uncovers hidden correlations and generate comprehensive summaries, and all while maintaining a high level of accuracy. And also objective of this tutorial is just using Pandas AI with Ollama, so that you need not to mention your OpenAI token, and from the local machine once you install your Ollama app, and from there you can ping any model that you want like Mistral or LLama to just work with Pandas AI. So let's get into the hands-on practice, and for this we need to have to download Ollama and pull LLM like Mistral or LLama as per your need. So if you want to learn how you can download Ollama in your local machine, do not hesitate to watch the tutorial that I have already did on this subject. From there you can just learn to download the Ollama and pull any model that you want to use in your local machine. So you can go to the tutorial using the above link. So I have already prepared a notebook for to work with Pandas AI. So for to work with this notebook, you have to install Pandas AI. As I have already installed in my environment, yeah, it says requirement is satisfied. So from here we can see the version of Pandas AI which is installed on our current environment. So the next step is we have to try to import Pandas AI, and we will be working with Titanic famous dataset which comes with a CSV format. So for that we just load the dataset using CBOM. So basically in our dataset, if you see, we have a set of column which is passenger ID, survived class, P class, and then name, sex, age, and other classes which comes with classic Titanic dataset. So once we loaded our dataset, we have to initialize local LLM class. So as I said, we will be using Ollama. From there, we will be using Mistral model locally without using OpenAI. And then we will be converting our data frame to small data frame where we will be sending our data with a config. So once we execute this cell, it just generated Pandas AI log, which is empty for the moment. We will come back to it later. So let's visualize the data set head to see what are the columns which are available in the Titanic dataset. So once it's done, we will be using this smart data frame chat, and we can mention our prompt that we want to analyze from the dataset. Okay, and it will return the result. For here we will be using return the survived class in percentage. So if you see the Pandas AI log, it just
shows us what are the steps which are going on behind the screen once we call like df.chat. So just finished the execution. So if you see the surveyed class passenger percentage is 38.38%. So now we don't have to use like a pandas data frame to calculate these percentage, just a simple text prompt that helps us to return such results. So in this way we can test many other thing like count the unique values in the each column, and then also we can calculate the mean, median, mode in the each column. So we can also, so if you see here, it just counted the unique values of each column, and it just written as 89 unique values, which are, I mean, unique ages that are available in the each column. So this is the basic usage of how we can make use of Pandas AI to in our day-to-day data analysis purpose. And if you want to learn more advanced features and how we can use agents using Pandas AI, please let me know in the comment section below. So that's it, guys. So PandasAI represent a major advancement in data analysis, efficiently bridging the gap between the traditional coding methods and intuitive natural language interaction by automating the repetitive task, generating accurate insights, and seamlessly transforming the data. It enables user to like extract maximum value from the data without needing extensive coding skill. And Pandas AI is continues to evolve, and it just gonna revolutionize the way that we data scientists, data analysts, or if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Do not hesitate to share with me what kind of tutorials or training need to be covered in our upcoming session. So until then, bye for now. Thanks for watching.